So the last time I made a video for you, the experts in play, we made bubbles. And I hope you enjoyed making your bubbles. Hope you made big bubbles and small bubbles and enjoyed playing with them. Today I thought I've actually been talking to an old friend of mine called Kerry, who is a play worker, and she reminded me of all the fantastic things that we used to see children make out of all the bits that we had lying around. So I thought that we might make magic wands. So all you need is a stick, and that might be magic enough for you. You might think, that is perfect, that is my magic stick. If you wanted to add a little bit more magic, you could use paper and draw a shape and cut it out and stick it at the top of your wand. And if you wanted to add even more magic, you could use ribbon. So I've got ribbon in my house because of my jobs. I've got lots of little bits. But if you don't have ribbon, you could ask an adult in your house for some old material. And then I just sliced some material up. And I also found some buttons that were lying around. You know, you sometimes get buttons on coats and things like that, spare buttons. And I found some string, and I tied the strips of material and the string and the buttons to my wand, and I turned it into an extra special magic wand. So I hope you enjoy this, and I hope that you can ask the adults in your house to send a picture to the Commissioner's office, either through an email or on Twitter, because we would love to see all of the fantastic things that you're creating from our videos. I'll be back soon with another fantastic idea.